There's a kitten. Hi, kitty, kitty. I went to vote, and what you doing, baby? Hi, kitty, kitty. It's okay. It's a... Oh, Lucy, it's okay. Oh, it's okay, baby. Are you all right? Are you all right? It's a kitten. It's not walking very good. Go eat, baby. Oh, man, it doesn't look good. Come here, baby. It's okay, kitty, kitty. Something's wrong with its eyes. I don't know. I'm trying to see. But it won't let it get close. Come here, baby. Oh, no. That's the first time I've seen a kitten. Come here, kitty, kitty. Come on, baby. Something's wrong with its eyes. Come here, kitty, kitty. Come here, baby. It's squinting its eyes. I got pretty close to it before it ran. I gotta figure out what to do. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. It's okay. You see it? It's okay, baby. Oh my God, something's wrong with its eyes. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I've already been crying today. It's been a rough day for me. And now I see this. Oh God. Come here, baby. Come here, sweet baby. The first time I've seen this kitten. Oh, Lord have mercy. I don't want to walk away. I want to be able to catch it and take it to the vet. Something's wrong with it. It's not walking right, and it keeps squinting its eyes. Its eyes don't look good. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. It's okay, baby. Come here to me. It's okay. What's wrong with your eyes? I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh. It's maybe 2 months old. I don't know if it's Snowy's baby or this adult gray cat that I've been seeing. It's been eating at night, but it doesn't come out during the day. There's some food over there, baby. Go eat. Come here, Lucy. What's right up with that baby? Thank God she's been fixed. Oh, I don't know if that other cat is fixed or not. And I lost Justine's number, so I don't even know. I gotta figure out something. And now I see this baby. I have no clue. Yeah, it doesn't look well, and it just breaks my heart. I'm gonna start crying again, Lucy. Yeah, it's been an upsetting day for me. It's been a hard day. Oh, I wish that baby would come out. I don't know if there's any more kittens around, and like I said, I haven't seen Snowy in a while. I don't know where that kitten came from. Come here, Lucy. Tell me whose kitten that is. I'll put some dry food over there till I feed tonight, just to hold them. Okay, I put some food there. There's the baby. Yeah, something's wrong with it. Gosh. Come here, baby. You want some food? Come here. Come here, baby. Here, baby. Come eat. Come eat some food. Come. Come eat some dry food. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, I hope Daddy will eat. Let me go over here.